Hey everybody, welcome to Champion Trading. We're showing you today, this is a Waukesha sanitary centrifugal pump. We've just finished rebuilding. It's running right now. Nice tight brand new seal, all new bearings in the motor. Sorry we're half sunlight and half not. It's our little test tank we're running. Give you a look at the flow. Just feeds in and recirculates so we can test seals, pressure, things of that nature. The 5 horsepower unit. Have a second sister unit we're going to be showing next. If you have needs in process or packaging equipment, please visit our website at www.champtrading.com. We look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us today.